Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Dayan Guhong Pro, which this is the standard version, not the maglev. So yeah, let's open it. Alright, so it has a magnetic box. It's nice. Okay, so there's instructions. I need that. How the settings work. And the actual cube, which I don't think it comes with anything else except like the packaging. Yeah, so this is the cube. It's flagship. A lot of lube or something on the outside. I don't know if you can see that, but that is crazy. Is that okay, we're get a paper towel. Paper towel, okay. Look, you see how greasy that looks? Okay. Okay, so now that the cube is mostly clean, start do some first turns. Ooh, that's a really nice cube. Very fast and smooth, and there's definitely some factory lube in there. And on the outside too. Okay, so let's look at the inside. I'll get that in a second. Okay, you know this. Okay, so let's look at the inside. So this is a ball core cube with core magnets. That's nice. And then the ball core is orange. So you can put these back in. Alright, but yeah, this is a really nice cube. Yeah. It's pretty quiet too. And then, let's see about any adjustments. Does look like there's some adjustments in there. And, yeah. So that is the Dayan Guhong Pro M standard version. Very nice cube. Probably not my main because it's hard to beat the Tornado V3, but it's a great cube. Yeah. This video has more than 500 views, so if all of you who watched that video would just subscribe, that would be really helpful. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, and I'll see you again in the next video.